Okay, this is going to be the second video. So hey guys, it's Coach Tanisha Marie. So make sure you guys follow me on all platforms. Okay, so last video I did was on covered calls. So that means you have to have the stock in order to rent your stock out to get a premium with the option to sell your shares for a price. Now I'm talking about options, just buying the stock when you don't even have it, right? So let's stick with SoFi. SoFi right now is $27. Let's just say you want to buy SoFi at $30. No, let's just say you want to buy SoFi at $25 and it's $24 right now, and SoFi is going to $30. So let's just say SoFi right now is $30 and you bought an option to buy it at $25. You can execute it at $25 in order to be able to buy it at $25 when it's trading on the market for $30. But unlike the covered call, instead of getting the premium, you're going to pay a premium for it. So you're paying basically to hold the price, the stock at that price. So if it go $29, $28, $30, $31, $32, $33, you still have the option to buy it at the $25. You paid your premium, right, to hold it there. So the seller got their premium, and now you're able to execute it and get those 100 shares at the $25 if SoFi is $30. Okay, same thing with NVIDIA. If you do an option and NVIDIA is $180 and you did an option when it was $175, you paid a premium to be able to have the option to buy the stock at that price when the stock is up. Now, once you paid that premium, now you're able to get it at that price. Let's say you paid a premium to get it at $175 and now NVIDIA is $180. You can execute it and then now go to the market and sell it for the $180 and make more money. So options are great. People have been doing options forever. Again, I just literally got put on this year, 2025, and literally I'm already making money, but you got to understand it because you can lose a lot of money also too. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you guys what I learned. My husband taught me, and I got a video, and we have a lot of videos on YouTube. You can watch a whole bunch of videos on YouTube about it. You can get some books on options. There's so many ways, guys, but click on the link below if you want to open up your brokerage account, and it's going to also teach you just a little bit about options and how you can make money with options and just the different ways